All right, so the oil tank is gone, and the outlets have been capped off so no oil can be delivered by accident. There is the boiler all wired, fired, and filled. So there's the wet return with its boiler drains installed, skim tapping, relief valve, and drip. Yeah, with the compression fitting, so this can be removed without a torch. As we discussed, we got a stainless steel nipple, brass 90, and then it transitions to copper. Bracketed here with split rings. And here's where the VXT wound up. A little bit different from the usual pattern. Got these nice hardware for the all thread and the 3/8 all thread, backflow preventer, shut off, and manual feed. This thing's a bit loud. That should do okay. There's the high voltage and the low voltage thermostat going in. Got a new thermostat on here, programmable, and we got a third wire on there to keep it so the battery doesn't run down and cause problems. Let's see. There's the serial number for record. This relay had to be replaced. This is an RIB, or relay in box relay. The other one that came with the boiler was very loud, and it would not pass muster, so we had to replace that. So overall, all right, let's see. There's where the voltage comes in, and at the top of the stairs, we made sure that that shut-off switch, the emergency shut-off switch at the top of the stairs, was redone to reflect modern codes. That should do it. Thank you again for your support. Oh yeah, let's see. We've got this tag here. I think that's all we need to touch base on. Oh yeah, the usual. Drain test, you can see that there's just the faintest hint of schmutz showing up from the boiler use there. But I think she'll do. And I thank you again for your support.